Hey guys, my name is Level Up Tech and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about why are our smartphones getting boring. If you end up enjoying the video, please feel free to like and subscribe. It's free and it helps out a lot. Now let's get into the video. So within the past few years, a lot of people have been asking the question like, are we at peak smartphone? Why are smartphones getting so boring? And I do kind of have just one main point. It isn't going to take long to explain this because it just revolves around one point basically. And this point is innovation. So if we go back in time to when, say, Apple made their first iPhone, that was a huge leap from these boring old flip phones to these smartphones because we got these displays that you could interact with your finger with, and it was just like this new cool thing. And from there we took that phone and we've been making progress on it year after year, giving it better processors, more RAM, better UIs, just better cameras, everything. And we've almost gotten to the point where there isn't much more room for innovation. And right now we're currently at the point where basically the only thing we can really get creative with is the camera system. And we've kind of seen that on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and just the regular S21. Samsung is trying to get creative with the design with the camera, so we've all seen what they've done with that and it looks nice, but that's the only thing they really changed about the device besides some more RAM, a better processor, a little better cameras, and there isn't much else. So in that aspect, yeah, smartphones are getting boring and we're kind of at peak smartphone. But there are a lot of different things down the line that could make smartphones a little more interesting, but our technology just isn't there yet. So there's things like the front-facing cameras embedded under the display. There's things like transparent smartphones, better wireless charging, completely bezel-less phones, and the list goes on, but there's a lot more things that we are still trying to make progress on today that could make smartphones a little more interesting down the line. But as of now, we're kind of stuck in this spot where our technology isn't there yet, or there's just things we haven't thought of yet. So smartphones are kind of getting boring. So are smartphones getting boring? Are we at peak smartphone? And the answer to that question is yes, but no. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to like and subscribe. It's free and it helps out a lot. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.